Jesus Christ, all of us knew the very purpose why we are here. We are here to attend the Ministerial and Stewardship Summit, right? And I would like to make this appeal, addressed first to the presidents of all our unions here, so that the union presidents will also make an appeal to the conference and mission presidents. I like the statement, now the quotation attributed to Alexander the Great, and when he said, "I am not afraid of an army of lions led by a sheep, but what I'm afraid of are an army of sheep that is being led by a lion." I hope that you will not misunderstand Pastor Telma as a lion. But the point here, so the presidents are now mandated to tap your shoulders, to get inside the whole day, and we only allow you from here to the toilet, from here to the cafeteria during lunchtime. But once we will see you standing out there, please don't get mad on us. We will remind you to get inside.
Amen.
And that is an appeal. That is an appeal because looking at our situation right here, we could easily recognize, the unions, that the people are not here. You see, because we have assigned you SLPUF, we can see some vacant seats there. We can see vacant seats up there, and we can see, vacant seats there, meaning, and that area there is assigned to one union, you see. So let us be responsible. We all together leave the area when the program is done. Do not turn, the side is there because we can easily recognize what union is that here in this portion. And in that portion, in this portion, so that at least 98% are always present. And that is an appeal. Thank you and God bless everyone. See you again tomorrow.